Jed here to demonstrate how to import shared contacts with the GoToDesktop app. By default, your entire company directory is available to everyone in your organization when they click the contacts icon of the GoToDesktop app. Similarly, shared contacts will be available to everyone within your company. If you have private contacts you would like to share with your team, look for the clone option on the contacts page. I'll show you how to import shared contacts with the GoToDesktop app individually or as part of a group, export your contacts from the popular email services Google and Office 365, customize a CSV file, and locate your shared contacts once uploaded. You must have an active customer engagement or contact center license to complete this task. I'll use the desktop app for this video, but GoTo can be accessed at this site. I've already logged in as the user Ryan Noble, and he has a customer engagement license. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different icons here, depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. Click the Contacts icon. Here are your current available contacts. You can import a collection of contacts individually or as part of a group. I'll start by demonstrating how to bring them in individually. Click the Create button. Then select Contacts from Import. This page will help you walk through importing your contacts from a CSV file created when you export your contacts from your email service. A template option is provided for download. It contains blank fields where you can copy and paste information. Formatting issues can lead to failures when importing, so it is recommended to refer to that template provided on how to format things. For this video, however, I will bypass that option. Click the Next button to proceed. This page lists guidelines for configuring your CSV file before it is uploaded to GoTo. There are limits to how many contacts you can import at one time. Please view online documentation to find out the current limit. Let's look at how to download that file from your email provider. If you already know how to do that, skip to later steps in the video. Let's start with Office 365. I've already signed in as user Ryan Noble. Please take note that I'm using the web version of Office 365. Some of these buttons I reference may be in a different location if you use the desktop app. Click the People icon on the left side. Here are the current contacts for the user. Click the Manage Contacts drop-down list. Then select Export Contacts. You can now select which contacts to export. If you choose all contacts here, you can later remove individual contacts from the CSV file before it is uploaded. Don't worry about possible duplicate contacts. GoTo will not create a copy of each as long as the contact has the exact same name, email address, and phone number. Click the Export button. Finally, determine where you want to save the file and what you want to name it. Now, let's discuss how to export your contacts with Google. Click the Google Apps icon, which resembles a series of dots next to your profile picture. Select the Contacts option from this list. If you only want to export specific contacts, click on their profile picture to the left of their name. If you want to export all of your contacts, you will not need to do anything extra here. Now, we need to click the Export icon, which may be within the More icon. Click the Export option. You can use the drop-down list to choose the contacts selected from a moment ago or select all of your contacts. You can then select either Google CSV or Outlook CSV. Click Export. Now determine where you want to save your file and what you want to name it. I've opened one of the CSV files. It can be opened in programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You'll probably find it difficult to read the information as it is since everything is pushed together. You only need to read the first few columns to see the names. If you see a user that you do not want to import to GoTo, delete that entire row from your file. Click the Save button if you've made any changes. Now that we've downloaded and modified our CSV file, let's upload it. We did not delete the top row from our CSV file, so I'll ensure that this box is clicked. Click the Browse Files button. Select the CSV file on your system. The system recognized the fields from our CSV file. Most were unused. Go through this list and ensure that the fields you wish to include have a check mark in the heading like first and last names currently do. Here's an example of a spot we need to change manually. Currently, these email addresses will not be imported, so I'll select the desired type to change that status. When you are ready to import the contacts, click Import. Our shared contacts have been added to our account. It may take a few minutes for the contacts to show up here. To locate one of your new contacts, search for their name in this field. If you need to update the information for the contact or delete them, you could click on their name and then select the contacts icon. Please note that you can only update or delete a shared contact you've personally added. Now let's talk about importing contacts as part of a group. Click the Groups heading. Groups can be used to quickly message a large collection of similar contacts simultaneously. Click the Create Group button. After you give the group a name, you can choose to import contacts or select existing contacts. Since the process is very similar to what I demonstrated a moment ago, I will not show this process in the video, but let me add a note about the import option here. As mentioned earlier, GoTo will not create duplicate copies if you import the same individual more than once. However, if you import someone as part of a group already in the system, they will be added to the new group. That's all there is to importing shared contacts into the GoTo desktop app.